so on. Okay, we've got 15 minutes. Here's bonds. Interest rates, as low as they are in the United States, are spectacular compared to other countries. The British gilts tend to trade with the U.S. Treasuries. That's the red line and the black line. Germany is the yellow line. As I said, its 10-year went below 0 this week. And the blue line is Japan. That's been below 0 and way below 0. Japan is a complete mess. There's nothing that can fix it or save it. Here's the various maturity levels of bonds in the U.S. Black is the 30-year, and as you go down, it's shorter and shorter and shorter. The red line is 5 years, the blue line 7, the yellow is 10. You know, notice these are the yields, not the price. When the yields go down to low levels like 0, the price is going way off. Remember that. Bonds are moving opposite of stocks in that sense. 30-year Treasury, this is a bearish pattern. Those two arrows show where it was bearish. It's still below the yellow line, so it's very bearish. Plus it has gaps that need to be filled. So this says interest rates are going lower. Does your chart agree with this, David?
Yeah, I think we're going to go down to 2012.
We didn't get there yet?
No, it's over the 10-year, just above.
Yeah, I think we're probably already there. The 1-year daily with the 10-year Treasury, this is extremely bearish also. It's going down. The 10-year Bund, that's what they call bonds in Germany, government bonds. This is a completely bearish chart indicating interest rates are going down. Now they already went below 0. They popped about above 0. But it looks like they're going to go below 0 and stay below 0 for a certain amount of time. Japan went below 0 a while ago in March or February actually. And it keeps going lower. And this is a bear market pattern. It's going lower also. The interest rates are going to get worse, even more negative. High yield junk. Now we look at high yield junk bonds. These are actual prices, not the interest rate. Everything else was the interest rate. So this caused the big sell-off, or was related to the big sell-off in January, February. These were losing value. You see they hit some low in February, then they're sort of recovering. These go back down, it will damage the stock market. So you have to watch this index. And this is like got a little more bullish because that yellow line plus the blue line on the moving averages. But you know, it's actually moving sideways. The DMI on the bottom, the black line's falling. It's saying it's a trend, there's still a strength, there's no trend. So this is very neutrally actually, which means a sideways movement. If it starts going down, it's trouble. You need to watch this. Okay, copper is a mess. It's a total bear market pattern. Nothing is recovered. There's no reason to think it's going to recover. Copper is actually the measurement for the strength of the global manufacturing economy and the real estate and the economy in general, and it's been going down and down for 4 years, which indicates there's been a global decrease in economic activity for 4 years. It's a bad sign. There's nothing bullish about this chart either, which means copper is going to continue to go down. Now it's done this very slowly. That's not rapid. It's just like a slow leak in a balloon, or a drip, drip, drip in a faucet. So that can go on forever. Okay, that man is a copper fan. He's like outraged. Okay, we only have 1 more minute. Coffee, watch this space. You may want to just buy some just in case. Every 20 years or so, there's a big frost in Brazil that destroys a lot of the coffee plants. The price of coffee skyrockets. That frost tends to happen in July, and this is late June. It may not happen. This is the 20th year, though. So, I mean, if it does happen, this price of coffee will just go to the moon. It's not likely to go much lower. It's hit below. So the risk is you may not make any money and you're tied up with funds. Sugar has had a nice rally. It's become bullish. That's a bullish chart. Notice the RSI's got to 80. That means overbought. So at the moment, sugar needs to come, the price needs to go down. I wouldn't run to buy it right now. But when it comes down and hits one of those moving averages, that's a good time to buy it for the long term. You know, it will go up for months and months of reading. And everything about this chart is bullish. So that's it. Thank you very much. You now know everything you need to know about it. Everything. You can ask some questions. We have like 5 seconds. No, we've actually have it. Say 21. And then other than that, we go drinking. We're shocked by drinking. You want drink. You want alcohol. Is that your reason?
Yeah, I need it.
You need it now. You're shaking. Yeah, it's pretty bad.
I'm confused with
My
some-
talk's like that.
I'm confused with something. Why is it that if the Brazilian economy is heading towards toilet and the Japanese economy is not doing well, unless I misheard you?
Well,
why?
it's been in the toilet for 20 years.
Okay, well, I'm flush with
Brazil
comments,
has not.
but why then are their currencies showing strength?
Oh, that's a good. That's a well. It's not a mystery for Japan. It's a mystery for Brazil.
Could you explain?
Well, I don't know the answer to that. It's
it
illogical.
doesn't seem strange.
Yeah, of course. But it has to be, the central bank has to be maneuvered. I mean, the Japanese central bank maneuvered the currency down, the yen down. So like, it should have been priced up here. They put it down here. It's like it has to go back up to there, and then even further higher than where it should be to compensate to average out where it should
So
be.
that would be good.
That's
for
why
them.
Japan is doing this. Brazil, they're probably finagling the currency also to push it up. But I don't know why they would want to do that. Actually, it's not a plus for them. And Brazil is a commodity-based economy also. It's one of the other major commodity-based economies. So commodities have been doing really well lately. So that's strengthening its currency and strengthening its stock market. So there's some rationale. There is some rationale in this case. It's like doing really too well. And the Russian ruble is doing well. This is like one of the crap currencies in the earth. And it's like soaring. But it's tied to oil. Oil has been going up. So all the other problems get forgotten. So okay, we can discuss this at the bar. You don't have to drink at the bar. This is actually a restaurant. You can eat food, drink orange juice, eat cake. Whatever you like.
Things are getting that bad. Let them eat cake.
Cake, yes. Well, I like cake. You're welcome. Okay, we got a few minutes.